Hello everybody and welcome back to the Omsi Addict Gamer channel where today we are going to be driving the Route 100, the Park and Ride Route 100 on the West Country map, and we are going to be driving it in this quite wonderful looking 100 MMC with its very nice looking livery that I have managed to get a hold of to do this route in. So yes, I hope you're all having a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day you're watching this at, and I hope you all are well, and I hope the very best. So let's get this route in action. Cool, that's good news. Right, let's get on and get this vehicle in service and get it out. So here is the interior of the 400 MMC Scania with the interior. Interior very nice and blue and dark blue kind of colour, very nice indeed. Right, why is that going off? Turn that off for a second. Let's do the Route 100. What time are we now? 11:55. Let's see which route I can do. I might have to do the 12 o'clock route, which, yeah, looks like we have to do 12 o'clock, so that's fine. $100. Set that. I've just done that wrong again. Right, let's just... $12 o'clock. We need to change that to that. Click OK, which is done. Log into the ticket machine. 9810. Right, let's open the doors. Let these passengers on.
Hello.
Oh,
Is it
hello.
me you're looking
Hello.
for?
Good day, driver. Morning, sweetie. Hiya, driver.
Hiya.
Hello.
Hello. Good mate, you.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Right, let's advance time to get us up to departure. We are now ready to rock and roll. So this is the Route 100, Park and Ride Route 100 on the West Country map, Milton to Paignton. In the 400, in the Scania, and in the Enviro 400 Scania 400 MMC. So let's crack on. Let's head on up towards the hospital, which is the next stop on the schedule. Let's come over here. Which way are you going? That way. You're going that way as well. So I'm going to go and get out of here. Right, head on round to the hospital. Very nice, warm, sunny day here in real life and also in game as well. Oh look, it's a 35. The 35 to Totnes Town Centre and to Pennington, I believe it goes to. Oh, I knew I'd have someone getting off. Right on the hill as well. And this is a timing point, so what I will do is I will just move up a bit. What time am I due out? 12:09. Look at the schedule. 12:04. We're due out. Happy days. Definitely do stop at the hospital, don't we? Yeah. Tokens Road next. That's why that's saying 12:09. Due out of here at 12:04. Right, let's go. So yeah, it's been a eventful week this week. Uh-oh. Half of my dash isn't working. That's working, but my indicators aren't on the dash. Great. Just persevere with it and hope it doesn't crash. If it does crash, then my apologies. So if you have any other suggestions on which route you would like me to drive next on West Country, and also any suggestions on what maps I should get for Omsi, and also what vehicles you'd like to see me drive, you'd like to see in a video, you're more than welcome to leave those comments in the comment section below on the video, because I am open to your feedback, and I look forward to reading the comment section and responding to your comments. Oh look, it's another park and ride Route 100. there's the curb. My mistake.
Good day, driver.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hello, lad.
What?
Oh, hello. Hi, handsome. Good day, driver. Hello, is it me you're looking for?
I have heard a lot of people do tend to complain about the 400 MMC Scanias, particularly the Scanias, that they're sluggish, they've got no pull away, things like that. I have driven this vehicle a few times before in the past, and I have never ever experienced those sorts of problems with it before. If anything, I think they are pretty good to drive. I think they've got plenty of power in them, you know. I think that they are pretty good vehicles to drive, to be honest. So let's just sit here for a minute till we are due, which is at 9, so any minute now. Right, let's get this rattly thing fired up. If anything, this bus does rattle. But at the end of the day, that Scanias, they rattle. Scania V8s rattle, they're very rattly things. But they're very, very nice to drive, I find. Torside Road is the next stop. So let's just head on down, sit back and chillax whilst I get through here. And I have no clue why the indicators aren't showing up on my dash either. It's a shame that's happened. Which I do apologise, but we will persevere and hope that it starts working again. Hey, we're still getting off. Right, let's go. It should be everybody getting off. Sometimes that does happen though. You go to pull away from a stop and then next thing you know someone presses the bell literally just before you are just about to pull away. It does happen on here sometimes. It does catch you out. Nothing coming. Along here you'll see you've got the beach and the seafront along here, which is very, very nice part of the route, which I quite like, this stretch of road. do not want to take up these coaches or these cars, which I haven't, which is good news. Try not to take out any of the curbs as well coming round here, because it does get a little bit narrow, which I navigated pretty well. Oh, looks like we're getting loads of green lights today, which is good news. Nice and easy over the speed bump and the pedestrian crossing. Oh, there's the curb. Try not to get
Hi,
stuck.
handsome.
What?
Good day, driver.
Good day to you. Hello.
Oh, sweetie. Hello.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hiya.
Hello.
What?
Hello. Right, let's see if we can pull out of here, because it can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Come on, you're gonna let me go? No. This red one we can go by the looks of it, which we can. After this red bulk standard Ford Focus, the old style Focus. Those lights are going to stay green. Yes, they are, which is good news. Can't stop now because I'm on the line. We'll just keep going. Come in over here. Let this passenger on.
Good day, driver.
Good day to you. I'm surprised I'm running slightly early, which is good. Now I appear to be on time. Come in down here. Let these passengers on.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
Hiya, driver.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Right, let's sit here and chillax and wait till we're due out because we're just slightly early. Probably only need to wait like 30 seconds or so. Until we are good to go. Right. Let's get those doors shut. Ooh, shut that door. Right. Let's head on round. Not quite sure what's going on with the textures today, but they don't seem to be working too well, which is a shame today. It does happen where sometimes the textures on the vehicles, other vehicles will just mess up. Sometimes my dash messes up as well, which I'm still trying to figure out as to why that keeps happening. 1 minute late? No, I'm not. I don't believe that. I do not believe that for a second. Next stop, Painter Royal Hospital. And people say that all Scanias are slow, they're sluggish, they've got no power, they've got no pull away power. This, completely different. I can say otherwise. I have no problems with the power on these things whatsoever. With these Scanias. Stay there, Mushty. I don't want you coming out. Whoa, what are you doing? Let's give a line for a reason, mate. Why Dash come back? No. Do apologise for that. I think there's a slight texture loading problem. Let's just sit here and hope that it loads. Because otherwise it's going to crash. Which will be a shame. Do quite like this livery. It's really nice. I do like the blue here, and then how it gets darker towards the back end of the bus. I do like that. It's really nice. Looks like we are slowly loading in, which is good. There's a slight glitch with the map or something. Slight issue with textures, I think. Right. Let's just carefully wriggle out of here. We've only got 2 stops left and then we terminate. So let's just hope that the game can hold up and not crash. Which doesn't look too promising. Let's just hope that we can get this finished. everything before it plays up again. That's good, my dash is working again now. Right, up to the park and ride, and then we are done. So, I hope all is well, and everything is going well for you lot, for you guys. So yes, right, here we are. So, there is the Route 100 park and ride on the Enviro 400 MMC Scania. So, I hope you enjoyed that little vid, and I shall see you on the next one. So, bye bye for now.